puppet on a string, Tracy Island, time traveling diamond, could have shaped heartaches to come to find you for in some velvet morning. Years too late, she's a silver lining, Lone Ranger riding through an open space. In my mind when she's not right there beside me, I go crazy, cause here isn't where I wanna be. And satisfaction feels like a distant memory, and I can't help myself. All I wanna hear me say is, are you mine? Well, are you mine? Are you mine? Are you mine? Oh, I guess what I'm trying to say is I need the deep end, keep imagining meeting wished away.
Hey, what's up? Channon Balorian here, and this is my setup. So I'm riding the 34 battle frame, 21 inch, got it in red just like I always wanted. I'm riding the 8.8 battle bar and the 34 stone fork. I ride ODI long neck grips, always rode them. They feel chill when I'm throwing the bars. I'm running the 34 pivotal seat post with a Berto fat seat. I always ride fat seats because I can easily grab for some Indian airs. I'm riding an order top load stem because I like higher bars and I can easily do some turnouts. As for the brake setup, I ride the Clito brake lever with 34 brake cables, the ortho gyro plate with roto twister, and in the back I got the Clito brake cars. At the bottom I have the 34 ortho cranks, the ortho sprocket, the Shadow half-link chain, Diamondback pedals, and the Cake light packs. For the wheel setup I ride KHC foldables with some 34R rotor rims, double button spokes, and the 34R rotor hub. I'd like to give a shout out to Dante Bikes and 34 for hooking me up. This was my setup, let's do some riding.
Before